Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these PowerShell command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, you can run the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. If you receive any error, just ignore it. Run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the last command, hit the enter key. And these commands will do these things. And once done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Next step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, and then click on restart. Find app readiness. At the top you will see app readiness, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry, try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Now let the update install and then check. Still not working. Run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is complete, copy the third command, and once the third, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open the link in the browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or this update. Click on search over here. Check your Windows version. Let me change the language over here. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. Now in my case the version is version 25H2. And then go to system in Windows settings. Scroll down, go to about option. Check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5089573. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced options, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, you can restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working, you can use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. hit install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.